Today we will see the DHT11 sensor, which is a simple sensor that is used to measure humidity and temperature in the air. In simple words, it tells us how hot it is, how cold it is, and how much moisture is present. Inside it, there are three main parts. First, a thermometer which measures temperature, a humidity sensing component which measures moisture in the air, and a small chip that converts the signals from both into digital signals and sends them to the Arduino. This sensor can measure temperature from 0 degrees Celsius to 50 degrees Celsius and humidity from 20% to 90%. Now let's see how we can connect it to Arduino. It has 3 pins. First is VCC, which we will attach to the 5-volt power pin of the Arduino. After that, the second pin is data, which connects to a digital pin like D2. And the last pin is GND, which attaches to the GND of the Arduino. A DHT11 sensor can be used in Arduino projects, weather station, home automation, AC or fan control projects.